Hi, I'm Khalid Ikram. We're with Pactiv Evergreen. So come by, visit our booth to see our latest half-gallon model. This is EH-84. I'll walk you through some of the functionalities of this machine. So when this machine was designed, we focused on product quality and the ease of operating and maintaining this machine. Okay, so this machine features a lot of servo-driven technologies. Starting with the Infeed, we have warp plate that opens up the carton using a servo-driven system. I'll run a few cartons now. So what's happening over here is that system, the suction cup is actually grabbing onto the carton, and it's a servo-driven motion. It's a coordinated system with the main drive, so that's opening up the carton, and then the belt is also driven by a servo-driven system. So that's actually grabbing the carton and taking it onto this device that we call a mandrel. This mandrel is also servo-driven technology, and over here what you see is what we call is a bottom breaker. Okay, so as the carton travels, we have wings that come in and then breaks the score lines of the carton. Then it goes to a two-station heating chambers. Okay, so the heater heads comes down and then melts the poly on the inside of the carton. Okay, then it goes to what we call is a ski. A ski folds the bottom of the carton, then we go to a squeezing station. So the sealer comes in, we put in about more than 200 pounds of pressure to actually seal the bottom, and also it cools down the bottom of the carton so that it doesn't stick to the sealer. Okay, so the second station, we have another station that would do similar thing. Okay, so that would seal the carton as well and cool the bottom of the carton because we just preheated it. Then it comes to a station over here. It's a what we call is an outfeed. You know, it has vacuumless. It just grabs the top of the carton and then pulls it down to a conveyor chain. Okay, the conveying system would take the carton away from the infeed to the discharge, and depending on the station, different operations are going to happen. For example, over here, as the carton comes here, we call this top folder. So this station will move up and down, and then it would break the score line of the carton, gets it ready to be post-folded at the end. Okay, so this system over here is where we ultrasonically weld the cap onto the carton. So we have plastic caps that come down, and then we have an ultrasonic system that actually joins the cap onto the carton within about 110, 120 milliseconds. Then we have a hydrogen peroxide system where what we do is we spray hydrogen peroxide inside the carton, and then there is hot air that would dry the peroxide system out. That process actually sterilizes the inside of the carton. Okay, so then it gets ready to be filled. So it comes to the filling station. So we have 7 filling stations. It's a top-down fill to maintain the quality of the product. So we don't really lift the carton from the chain, and that ensures that there is no air turbulences or any soap from the conveyor chain moving from one carton to the other. Okay, so that helps maintain the quality of the product. Then the machine comes to a top rebreaker. You saw earlier the top was being pre-folded. As the carton comes, so the rebreaker will re-break the top and then get it ready to go into the heating station. So over here, so we have 2 heaters that comes down and then hits the top of the carton twice. Okay, then we have 3 sealing stations. Again, we put in about 200 pounds of pressure where the 2 jaws come in and then seals the top. Okay, then the cartons come out at the discharge end. This machine is a self-cleaning, self-sterilizing system. So all the valves and the components over here that you see, that cleans and sterilizes the machine automatically.